Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool JAR part #WP4176728. Whirlpool JAR part #WP4176728 is a replacement part for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is a replacement jar for the detergent dispenser on certain models of Whirlpool dishwashers. This part is made of durable plastic and has a white finish. It is designed to fit into the detergent dispenser and hold the detergent until it is released into the dishwasher during the wash cycle. The jar also helps to keep the detergent from spilling out of the dispenser during operation. This part should be replaced if it becomes cracked or damaged in any way, as it can cause. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement lid for a Whirlpool blender jar. It does not fix any symptoms. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old jar from the refrigerator by unscrewing the mounting screws and lifting it off. 3. Place the new jar in position and secure it with the mounting screws. 4. Plug in the power cord to the wall outlet and turn on the refrigerator. 5. Test that the new jar is working properly by filling it with water and checking for leaks or other issues. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.